Welcome to Mid-Hill Tool Rental's educational video series where we help you get the most out of your rental equipment and, most importantly, to operate it safely. Today, let's look at picking the right tiller.
Welcome back. This is Joanna from Mid-Hill Tool Rental. Spring's just around the corner, and this is when people start thinking about their yard work, such as flower beds and gardening. Raj, can you show us different types of tillers we rent?
Sure. We have 4 different types of tillers. We have the small Honda tiller, we have the Mid-Tine Tiller, we have the Rear Tiller, and we have something, the Harley Rake. It's like a tiller on steroids. So this is the first one we're going to speak about, is a Honda tiller. This is for homeowners. They're going to do the small kitchen garden or the little flower bed. It's very easy to operate, right? You have an off and on here, you put on the switch, then you have a primer, little primer button, you get a little prime, you have your choke here, you pull back your choke, and this is just to get a pull here. You have a safety button here, and then you press your throttle. And this Mid-Tine Tiller is for fresh, like you're doing a fresh garden, removing dry grass, fresh lawn. This is what you need. I'm gonna start this on, choke. That's it. And this is how we activate the Mid-Tine Tiller. You see how we do it? Fresh dirt. So this is what you want it to do. As I say, it's very easy to use.
So Raj, if the person has a bigger job, which one would you recommend?
Yeah, well, it's the same concept, right? The Honda tiller is for a little backyard, as I tell you. We have the Rear-Tine Tiller for like a bigger job. Somebody have a bigger garden, it's almost the same thing as the Mid-Tine, but just a bigger job you're doing with this one. It's easy to operate and all. You have your on button here, you put on your button, you come right here, you have your choke, and then after, that's all you do. And the Rear-Tine Tiller starts. That's all you have to do. To activate your Rear-Tine Tiller, you hold on the clutch, you move the gear, then after you put it on the tines, this is where your tines move. That's how we operate a Rear-Tine Tiller. You have reverse and all, you can reverse the machine. So you don't have to pull the machine or nothing like that. That's it.
So Raj, what if their job is just really big and they just don't want to do like a walk behind tillers?
Well, this is what we have, a Harley Rake. It's like a big Mid-Tine Tiller. It's the same job, it do everything, but you could do more acreage with this. Landscapers could use this machine too, this attachment. So we start the machine, raise it like that, and this is how it works.
Now, it is very important to note that this is 2 machines and not just one.
It's an attachment hooked up to our mini skid or our boxer. That's it. So you have your mini skid and you have your attachment. But if the customer have a boxer or the mini skid, we also rent this alone by itself, the Harley Rake. We also have a bigger Harley Rake for our bigger skid steer and them. You don't worry your head. That have a place, Mid-Hill Tool Rental have everything. We could go there and we get everything at a cheap rate, and the people there are so friendly. You don't have to wait long there. They put it on a trailer, anything you want. You could get it on a trailer, without a trailer, anything you get it. It's so quick and everything, and it's cheap, most important. So you could save some money on that project.
And who don't like saving some money, Raj?
Exactly right.
Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Raj, for demonstrating this equipment.
Anytime.
Now you make sure y'all follow, like, and comment your experience on tillers. And don't forget to give us a call. That way you can reserve your next equipment with us.